That process of everything being new and every day being different, every project being different, is the part that excites me every day. And I get excited every day when I come in the building.
Pacific Northern makes jewelry displays and retail store fixtures.
From the smallest of possible displays all the way up to a full store.
They want to put their merchandise in the best possible light, best possible atmosphere, entice the customer to buy. Our displays are tops in the industry.
Every single thing that we do is 100% custom.
Currently, our creative and our mechanical teams are a little disconnected.
Bridging the gap between those two steps is like the dream. Our experience with Autodesk has really been a very, very positive one.
Inventor will be helping us shorten the lead time on our product development. The things we're doing manually now with AutoCAD and with 3ds Max will be taken over by what's already in Inventor.
Is far better than we've ever had before.
We used Inventor on this project to make sure all the parts fit and were interchangeable. Modeled it so that the customer could see it in full color and was able to literally change parts and pieces trying to figure out how they wanted to display their watches. Instead of having to possibly use 2 or 3 software, this could be the answer to where we're down to 1 software.
Seamlessness between all of the steps is critical.
It obviously will allow us to work on more projects.